like I said, 11 months off, jump in middle of the season against, arguably the best team in the league. It's a big ask. I thought he did a good job. You saw flashes of what he's going to be able to do for us. He made some really good plays to some people. Did a lot of good things, and it's a great first step.
I don't think you want to take 2 penalties and be on the ice for their goal, but I think that there's some stuff to build on. Obviously, they're a really good team, and you get matched up against a pretty good line for so. In 11 months, it's good to just get back doing it. And honestly, I was having a pretty fun time out there, and so I think there's some stuff to build on. But it's a process. I know it's going to get better. It's I didn't expect it to be perfect tonight, so I think there's a lot to work on. But it was first game, so I think there's some good to build on as well.
Go Jesse at the top.
Jesse Granger, The Athletic for Jack. You mentioned the matchup. You get to play quite a bit against McKinnon in your first game in 11 months. How was that? And how was just conditioning towards the end of the game? Did you feel good?
Yeah, there was a lot of energy in the building, so I think in the first period just kind of building a lot off adrenaline, and like I played pretty well then. But as the game went on, like you said, there's no way to emulate game pace and game conditioning and getting bumped and just the whole thing. So the timing, it's going to take a few games for me to get it back. But I'm pretty happy with some things that went out there. Like you said, it's a tough matchup. They're one of the best lines in the league, and but we had a couple chances, and they had their chances. It was a tight game for most of it, and obviously they get the power play goal at the end there. That's sort of the difference, and we weren't able to cash in on any. So, but I think there was a lot of good to build on for our group.
Tom and Ben.
Tom Galiti, NHL.com. Jack, looked like you had a brief conversation with McKinnon right before the opening faceoff.
Yeah.
Anything you can share about what he said, and just did you look like you got a hit right on that first shift there? You're looking to get involved right away.
Yeah, I think it was good to get bumped a little bit. I feel good physically, so. I know Nate a little bit, so he was just he was saying it was good to see me back out here, and I asked him how he was doing. I know he took a hit a few weeks ago, so. But just a quick exchange.